Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default applications on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So all you have to do is open the settings app on your device. And then within the settings, scroll down and select apps. Tap on that. And then within the apps section, all you have to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then select other settings. Now within the other settings, all you have to do is select default apps. And now you should see a list of all applications that you can change the default apps for. So let's say for instance, if you want to change the music application, so tap on music, and as you see by default mine is set to music. So if you want to change it, all you have to do is select another application, and that will change the default app for music on your Redmi Note 14. You can repeat the same for all the other options. Let's say for instance gallery, we choose the option that you'd like to use. So if I say gallery, select that, go back. Also let's say for instance play video, tap on that and choose the application that you'd like to use to launch any videos on your device. So I'll just say VLC, and you can repeat the same process for all the other applications. So that's basically it on how to change the default apps on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.